Turned into the Navy's newest anti-submarine and anti-surface war aircraft, the P-8 Poseidon. They are from the United States Navy Maritime Patrol Fleet Replacement Squadron 26. Based on the 737 aircraft from Boeing, many airlines fly it. And it is a testament not only to Boeing, but also to our United States Navy to use airframes that are proven in their performance and adapting them to the very specific roles that they are serving today. 3 pilots, 2 naval flight officers, and 3 enlisted sensor operators are the normal crew. It has a cruise speed of over 500 miles per hour, a service ceiling of nearly 8 miles high, 41,000 feet, and the ability to transit over 1,200 miles, complete a 4-hour mission, and return the 1,200 miles back to home. It's armed with torpedoes and air-to-surface missiles. It's a lethal attack platform. Its extensive sensor suite includes infrared and long-range optical cameras, advanced imaging radar, sensitive acoustic processors, and electronic surveillance equipment. Now, with the flaps extended and the landing gear down, this is called aerodynamically dirty, and this is the slow speed pass. Now, as far as jets go, that's quiet. That's downright quiet. We got noise coming for you too, but this one will make a little more noise as it does its final pass on the way out. It took about 8 years to get this aircraft operational. The contract was awarded to Boeing back in June of 2004. While transforming how the Navy's maritime patrol and reconnaissance force will man, train, operate, and deploy. The P-8 Poseidon, with traditional manned forces and evolving unmanned sensors. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, cameras on, the final pass of the P-8A Poseidon from your United States Navy.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. On behalf of your United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Art Carlisle, and Commander of Air Education and Training Command, Lieutenant General Darrell Robinson, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command and Air Education and Training Command, we welcome you once again to Baltimore Air Show. I'm F-35 Heritage Flight Maintenance Team Chief, Senior Master Sergeant Sam Smitty Smith from San Bernardino, California, here with our in jet aircraft.